Alright, so this is my Centipede Coctail table. The sound is acting up. You get barely any sound. You can probably hear the speaker hum in a track mode. This is a multi-pede setup, so when you switch it to millipede, the hum is even louder. And when you start a game, there's very little sound. You might be able to pick that up a little bit, I don't know. So, I am by no means a repair person, but the other thing that I find interesting is that whoever had this before put in a computer speaker system, and that's all the way down volume, and this hum goes away as soon as you turn up at all. That's full volume. So clearly this isn't original. The other thing is, if you move these wires for the start buttons, you get that kind of static. So it's not the speaker. I guess the board is original. I mean, it certainly looks original. I don't know. So just looking for ideas. If you need me to take some apart so you can see it better, it's got a switching power supply. So just kind of at a loss here, but if you have any ideas, that would be great. I'd appreciate it. Thanks.